3 diamonds.
Really?
Okay, she had an engagement ring.
Yeah.
Okay. She had an engagement ring and then like.
Nikki looks like you.
Yeah. Okay. So okay. Her engagement. You're the Asian one with the hair.
That's you. You're actually the boy in the middle.
No, she has an engagement ring. That's just like a circular one, like no, but it's like diamond, right? It's like just normal. And then the other one is circular, and then it has like. Where are you guys put my car?
I don't know anywhere.
Whoa, where is it?
Where is your car? Nikki, where's your car?
Where is it? Where did it go? This isn't my car.
Where's your car? Nikki, where's your car?
Oh my god.
Nikki, where's your car? Where's your car, Nikki?
Nikki, someone stole it.
You're on your way out the
Where's my car? You dumb easy. Where's my car?
Oh my god.
Where's my car? Vivian, where's my car? Where is it? Oh, you guys are walking around. Is there no car? Yeah.